Good afternoon, flare fishing fam. That is Lettuce Boy. He's wet because we did a live stream on his channel and he jumped in the water and he caught, in 20 minutes, he caught almost 20 pounds of bass. 3 or 4 4-pounders, and it was pretty insane. So filmed the MTB challenge earlier today, and then, like I said, filmed his live. Now we're gonna do a challenge. We asked his live viewers, what should the challenge be? What should we do? And one of them that we both liked, that we thought was unique, is loser eats a Senko. We thought, well, why not? Why not? No one's ever done that. So here are the rules. We have 1 hour. It's 6:30. It gets dark by 7:30, so we're gonna leave at 7:30. Here's the rules. 1 hour challenge, split 30-minute periods. We're gonna spin the roulette wheel to see who gets choice of whether they get first or last. So you can fish on the front of the deck in the first half, or the second half. It's your choice. Also, you have to use a 6-stick rod. The new favorite 6 sticks came in. We're gonna use those finesse spinning rods and a Wacky Rig Senko. That's watermelon red. So we're using the exact same baits, same rod, Wacky Rig Senko, watermelon Wacky Rig Senko, and a favorite 6-stick rod. 30 minutes. We're gonna spin the wheel. We're gonna see who goes first. It's gonna be 1 hour challenge. Loser eats a Senko.
Best 3.
Oh yeah, and it's best 3. So we're not doing 5 just because we don't have a lot of time. Best 3. Best 3 go in the live well. We're gonna weigh them, take pictures, all that good stuff. All right, here's the wheel. So whoever it lands on,
let me spin it with my toe.
Whoever it lands on gets to pick what they want to do, whether first or last.
Toe right there, guys.
Yeah, okay.
I'm a foot mama.
Oh wow, that was beautiful.
Dang.
Whoever it lands on gets to choose if they go first or last. Oh, it's you. What do you want, first or last?
Last.
You want last?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going first. That means I got the front of the boat first, and then.
Actually.
Whoa, you can't change your mind, boy. Okay. Okay, all right. So I'm going first. I got first 30 minutes. We're gonna set a timer. He's gonna get last 30 minutes. Only a Senko. He wanted to do different baits. I wanted to do the same bait since this is just my challenge on my video. And of course, we gotta eat a Senko. So enough of talking. Let's get to fishing. You excited? Here goes nothing. So I got the front of the boat. Peric's not gonna go back. He's just gonna stand behind me for the first 30 minutes, and then he'll come to the front for the last half. Said we're just using the same gear. Use 6-stick rod. There we go. First one. Not a very big one though. All right.
Gotta be 12 inches.
All right, I'm not gonna keep this one. I'm gonna hope that we can upgrade. But that's good. That's a good start. This first fish took about 30 seconds fishing. You have a fish? Oh, Peric's got a baby. All right, so it's 1-1. So far, just babies.
I was wondering why.
Oh, Peric got a fish. Oh, little guy.
What the heck is going on?
We're in the nursery. Squeak McGee.
Flare started his video and all.
I started my video and it's just automatic flare fish.
That was a sick cast.
There was a swirl. You got it. Oh man. Well, I caught the fish that I saw, but not the size. I'm telling you, I start my camera and the flare fish come out. I think I'm cursed. I think I'm just cursed. Peric's hooked up. He got a pretty decent one, I think. Oh, you got a big one?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, that makes me nervous. That makes me real nervous. Look at him, look at me. You know it's a big one when he's freaking squirreling around back there. There's Peric's first.
Number 1, I'm going.
That's first live well keeper. There's one. It's a better one, I think. It's kind of running right at me. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. First decent fish, I think.
Hop off.
No. Oh yeah. Look at that head shaking. It's like on something, I swear.
Drop the power poles in 80 feet of water.
Look at, what is this fish? Dude, I got like a 10-pounder. Oh, it just got in the weeds. There's a good one. Yeah, it was down in those weeds. There we go, that's my first keeper. A little right in the corner of the mouth. It's a good fish. Had me nervous there. I was getting down in those weeds. Thought I was gonna bust her off. Whew, I got my heart racing. I thought that dude was gonna come off or break off or something. Oh, Peric's hooked up. Uh-oh. Is it a big one? Yeah, that's about the size of the one I just had. All right, so if Peric can land this, he's got 2 in the box. There you go. All right.
Not as big as I was hoping.
Second one. No, we haven't caught any giants yet since we started this challenge. They're in here though. We know caught them earlier today. We know there's some freaking brutes. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one.
That stance was all. That was the stance.
It's a brute. I don't know, man. It's gonna be tough. I can tell it's a big one right away when they start moving off into the deep water as soon as they bite it. No, 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 don't jump. Yes, son. That's a good one. That's a good one right there. All right, that's my second one. So it's 2-2. That's a solid, chunky freaking fish. Throw her in the box. All right, 2 and 2. Uh-oh, Peric just caught one. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
No! No! No!
Did it break off? Just pop off.
No!
It just popped off. He just lost a toad.
I'm just kidding.
Well,
Dang it!
just lost a Peric 10-pounder. There's one.
No.
Yep. I don't know if it's a big one though. Yeah, it's a good one. It's not bad. I'll toss her in the box just in case. There's my third one. So I've got.
Did we set a timer?
I've got a limit. Yeah, I've got it. Don't worry. I hope I get to cull this one out pretty quickly here, but I'll toss her in there just in case Peric can't pull out another one, then I'll secure the W. But hoping we can actually cull that fish out. There's one. Oh! Oh, that was a big one. Well, I just missed a Peric 10-pounder. That one felt real good when it ate it. I don't know. Sometimes you just don't get good hook sets with stuff like this. Peric caught a big one.
No! No!
Oh my God, that was a big one too. That was a giant. I saw that was huge. That was huge. That was huge, dude. Peric just had a 4-pounder jump off. Oh man. 4-pounder gonzo. You seem like you're in a really good mood right now.
I do not want to eat a Senko.
You don't want to eat a
No,
Senko?
like, I don't want to eat it. I feel like you want to eat it.
Why would I want to eat a Senko?
I don't know. I feel like you're into eating Senkos.
Oh, came off. Son of a gun, what's wrong? Why do I suck? In the final minute, this is my final cast, so see if I can get redemption. And then Peric says he's gonna be doing big things. He's gonna call an audible. He says, I'm gonna be nice and give him 2 minutes to get to a spot. He's gonna go to a new spot, and it's gonna be a gamble. He's either gonna go big or go home. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Peric's audible might have paid off.
No! No! What is going on?
Oh my gosh, you just lost 3 big ones. You got a hook? Is there a hook on there, bud?
It's sharp.
Is this your first time fishing? Well, I hope your guys' day is going better than Peric's. I mean, a lot would have had to have happened for it to be going worse.
I just can't land a fish.
Yep,
No.
yep.
That's gonna be a big one.
Yep, that's a good one. Oh, Peric and I are doubled up. Uh-oh. Oh, I saw his. His isn't that big. It's good. Uh-oh, dude. Uh-oh. His came off. Oh, God. Peric, you guys just missed a Peric moment. He just threw his rod to the back of the deck. I'm sorry I can't show you this. I'm kind of busy trying to land this fish, but he just launched a rod to the back of the boat.
What is going on?
There we go. Yep, I'd call that an upgrade. All right, fish goes in the box. All right, I'm back in the game. So I've got 3 in the box. I've culled once. Peric still got his 2 in the box. Just had 4 big ones pop off. All right, he's on the move. He's in a rush. Don't slow the man down. How are you feeling? How confident are you right now?
No comment.
No comment. Peric takes tournaments serious. If you guys don't know, he's an opens pro. So he takes them pretty serious. Oh, he got a fish. I don't think that's gonna help him any. Uh-oh.
Crappie.
Oh my gosh.
Sums up my life.
His life in a 10-minute YouTube video this is about it right here. Uh-oh.
Banging!
Uh-oh. I wonder if it's gonna stay on. Wonder if it's gonna stay on.
It's a winning fish! Oh God.
He thinks it's the winning fish.
Oh my
He
God.
thinks it is. Think it'll do it?
Come here, baby.
This may seal the deal. About 10 minutes left. Look at him, run into the back. He's getting excited. Peric's excited when he's running to the back.
Not even.
Dink. Little guy. Well,
Dang it! Wow.
he thought
Fighting so hard.
he thought it was a big one. It got stuck in the grass. Not a big one at all. But that's his third fish. So it's three on three, and now it's just gonna come down to ounces to see who actually wins this little 1 hour bass fishing stanko eating challenge. Boy, what is that toenail?
What? Oh God.
What are you doing? You little nasty. Easy. Hey. Come here. All right, this is my small one here. 115. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Coming in at
214.
214. So 115 and 214. All right, this is my third
I
one.
thought you had all 4-pounders.
You did?
Yeah.
I did. Yeah. 7-9.
7-9.
Okay, 7-9. All right, 7-9. We'll see.
And they weigh mine.
We'll see if Pear can beat 7-9. 2-7. All right, 2-7. 2-3. It's got to be 3 pounds 3 ounces to beat me. Do you think that's 3 pounds 3 ounces? I don't think so, dude. Uh-oh. It's gonna be close. Is it 3 pounds 3 ounces? No?
215.
Oh, 215.
Beat by 4 ounces.
I beat you by 4 ounces, dude. 4 freaking ounces. He has to eat a stanko. This should be kind of,
I'm doing it right now.
right now? All right, let's see it. Let's see you eat it.
I have to swallow it.
You gotta swallow it, dude. Oh, God. He's gonna end up in the ER tonight. Is it good? No? You can't do it? You just gotta chew it up. Oh God, that's brutal, dude. Oh, that's gotta be like the saltiest, nastiest thing ever. You think you're gonna be able to swallow it? It's not probably dissolving, is it? You could have just taken like little bites and swallowed the chunks. Oh my God, look at this kid's gonna throw up. Oh my God, he's about to throw up. Is it worse than you thought? What are you gonna do? You can't spit it. You're gonna lose the bet. Oh, you guys are probably throwing. Oh no, you're losing it. You're losing it. Oh, this kid's gonna throw up. Did you swallow the rest of it?
No, I got this much left.
That's how much you have left?
That's pretty much the whole thing.
Dang it. I hope you guys at home are enjoying this as much as I am watching this. This is pretty awesome. This is pretty bad. Oh God, he's gonna throw up. Oh gosh. God. This is probably the most entertained I've ever been. This is great.
This is the worst challenge you've ever done. This is the worst thing I've ever had to do.
Really? You'd rather eat a hot pepper?
Yeah.
Really?
I feel like I'm gonna get sick.
You might.
Like, there's gonna be a bunch of comments saying, like, is there like a bat? What is Gary? What is this? He's just like eating them.
It's just plastic. I mean, BPAs are pretty cancerous, but you know, you'll probably be all right. Maybe not. Maybe you'll die. I don't know. We'll find out on the next episode of AP Bassin. All right, last bite. Just don't think about it. Just do it. Oh God. Oh God. This is about to get bad.
Alright.
Good. Hope you folks enjoyed. That was pretty painful. I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. I was like, oh, just chew it up and.
Bad.
That was painful to watch, and I didn't even. Yeah. So I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little challenge. What are you doing with the GoPro?
We're gonna keep fishing.
Really?
I'm gonna do a buzzbait, fish buzzbait down the shore. Going back, dude. We'll probably catch like
Okay.
7.
Okay. All right. So we're actually gonna keep on fishing. I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little 1 hour challenge. We filmed a lot of videos today, getting a lot of content up. Obviously doing a lot of stupid stuff. So if you guys want to see stuff like this, leave a like and drop a comment down below on like what other challenges ideas you have. We got this off of a viewer from his live stream. Probably not a good idea, but you know what? We went with it anyway. So you can comment all your bad ideas down below. Thank you so much for watching and peace.